Video we will see how to reset Birdfy camera to the factory settings. So guys, if you want to reset your Birdfy camera to the factory reset, so guys, you just follow this video. First of all, in app reset, so guys, open your Birdfy app and tap on your camera from the device list, then tap the option of setting icon and scroll down and tap the option of factory reset or remove the devices. Then confirm the prompts. The camera will completely wiped and removed from your account. Okay, after that, physically reset. Check the camera and ensure the camera is turned on. If it is off, then hold the power button for 3 seconds. Then guys, locate the reset button and find the small reset pinhole on the back or button of the devices. After that guys, use the paper clip or included ejector pin to press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, then guys, wait for the lights to change, so keep holding until you see the indicator light begin flashing the red or amber. After that, let go of the button, so the camera will restart automatically, and wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the lights blink blue and indicating it is ready to being paired again. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.